Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you all engaged couples and wedding planners out there. If you're feeling overwhelmed with all the tasks in planning your dream wedding, then I've got a solution just for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you a wedding planning Notion template that I created for free so that you can simplify your planning process and make your life easier. So let's dive in. Quick overview of what we'll cover in this tutorial. The first one is I'll introduce you to the Wedding Notion template and why is it a valuable tool. Then second is how you can download and set up in your Notion workspace. Then third, yung key features ng template and how you can use them yung mga pages. Then lastly, yung mga tips and tricks that I can give you and share with you for your specific wedding details. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped on how to plan your dream wedding with ease. This is the wedding dashboard Notion template. So if you're not familiar with Notion, I have another video that you can check it out. So this is the wedding dashboard. So meron siyang overview summary. Your wedding date, days left, total income expenses, and the balance remaining in peso. Meron din dito quick links for your projects, task overview, expenses and income, vendor, suppliers, guest list, tapos yung mga music playlist, and your vision board. So from the right side, merong important tasks na naka-board, that started, in progress, done. You can set assign kung sino man assign, your fiancé or whoever. Tapos yung mga project milestones or yung mga phases. So naka-phases yung mga projects mo by wedding planning, venue, photo and video na kailangan mong i-close, or yung music entertainment na kailangan mong tapusin. Nandito yan sa mga project milestones. Yung project milestones naka-relate sa task. So later, i-discuss din natin yan. For the wedding budget, nandito yung income tracker mo and expense tracker. Every update ng expense and income, mag-update din yung total overview, which is nice. Meron ditong vendor list. Kung kailangan mga bayaran, deadline, mga how much na kailangan. Ito, nandito yung naka-join din yan. For every payment na yung expense, mag-update din yung vendors from here. So yung guest list, pwede din, ito din, meron kung pwede mong isort kung anong table, sino yung mga pupunta, sino yung mga kasama sa entourage. So yan, meron din tayong mga vision boards, hindi mo na kailangan i-save sa iyong Instagram or Pinterest, nandito na yan lahat sa vision board. I-upload mo na lang by category. So there. So download nyo yung Notion template sa description below. So here's the Gumroad wedding template Notion link for free. So this is free. So ayan, so you can name a fair price, but you can always put 0. But of course, if you want to add tip, okay lang. But 0 naman yung price niyan. Please do rate. Then click I want this. Then you get redirected for the checkout. So don't worry, it's free. Add your email address, then you click on the get. So after that, process siya. Then you can download na. So there's the instructions. To download, click the button below to open the template link. Then it will redirect you to your Notion. Then click nyo lang yung duplicate. Then duplicate. There. If you don't have any Notion account, just click this. This is my affiliate link. So also, if you don't have a Gumroad account, just register for free. That's it. So okay, game. So let's discuss na yung mga key features. So for the first one, itong projects. So sa projects, itong database nito, or may view siya na active all the projects. Tapos yung timeline view, para makikita mo kung kamusta na yung projects and yung deadline. And then meron din siyang board for lahat ng mga in planning and in progress. Tapos yung mga backlogs na rin. So meron din all projects, then nakalista. Itong view na rin to, ito yung na naka-display na rin sa wedding dashboard kanina. So that's the projects. Ang projects ay related sa task. So every project ay hopefully may task. Pero ang task dapat may related na project. So sa task, may views na all tasks, may board din para it's ma-manage nyo kung ano yung mga hindi nyo pa nagagawa, like choose a wedding party, create initial guest list. So pwede mo assign yan kung sa iyong boyfriend and girlfriend, tapos yung sa yung bridesmaids, ayan, sa tag na in progress, tapos kung ano rin yung mga inbound. So every week, stand up kayong boyfriend, girlfriend. So there. So after ng task, meron din tayong vendors. Sa vendors, meron tayong view na all vendors, name, vendor name, service provided, description lang naman. Tapos magkano yung kailangan bayaran ng venue, tapos kung ano na yung magkano na yung nabayaran. So itong vendors related to sa expense tracker mamaya. Mamaya papakita ko yung relationship and yung roll-ups nitong dalawa. So may deadline of payment, URL, social media, contact number, and email na pwede mong ilagay para at least mabilis mo lang silang tawagan. Alright? So sa vendors, after ng vendors, meron din tayong guest list. So para i-track yung mga wedding guests, contact information, nag-RSVP ba, kung a-attend ba o hindi. So yun naman ang kailangan. So may views tayo for all guests, sa lahat ng mga attending. So yan. So naka-filtered na yan by is going. So i-check nyo na lang. Tapos entourage. So lahat ng mga kasali sa entourage. So naka-group na rin siya. So at least mabibigay mo na, mabis mo ibigay ito sa iyong wedding planner. So sa seat plan, the same. Same din with seat plan. So itag mo lang yung guest mo kung saang seat automatic. Dito sa view na to, naka-categorize na siya by seat number. So there. So that's for the guest list. And then for the vision board. So vision board, ito yung prenup, prenup, guest, honeymoon. Add lang kayo ng new or here. New here, type mo lang yan, outdoor, prenup, and then change mo lang yung cover. Yan, dito na yung cover. So change mo lang yung wala kayo sa splash, outdoor, wedding, or pwede ka rin mag-upload ng image na gustuhin nyo. So there, upload para at makikita nyo na lahat dito. Pwede rin kayong gumawa ng another view for specific category. But currently, all board view na may specific, naka-categorize lang. So there, next one is yung expense and income track. So punta muna tayo sa music playlist kasi medyo mahirap yung mga trackers. So sa music playlist, ano lang siya, straightforward. The song title, yung face. So kung gusto mo ilagay lahat ng mga musics na gusto mo ilagay mo lahat dito. Tapos i-categorize mo lang by face. Tapos yung artist and genre. Tapos ilagay mo yung music URL kung YouTube yan or Spotify yan. At least mabibigay mo na kagad sa iyong DJ. So pwede mo i-sort by faces. So ano yung papatugtugan by pre-ceremony, cake cutting, ceremony, and home. So yun. Gamitin nyo lang yan for your music playlist needs. Tapos punta na tayo dito sa overview and sa expense tracker. Sa income tracker muna. Sa income tracker, so they're all incomes. Properties niya ay name, type, or fixed flexible for tagging purposes. Tapos kung ano yung amount na pumasok, then kung ano yung date. Mapapansin nyo, let's check the properties. Naka-hidden yung budget summary. Yung budget summary ay joined sa overview. So kailangan every time na mag-add ka ng income, like for salary ng July, for example, fixed, which is, kung ang salary mo is 50,000 per month. Yan, tapos papasok siya ng 24, kunwari. So, 264,000 pumasok. So, ito, nagbago na. So, nag-update na yung total balance mo. Kasi nakarelate yun sa total overview, yung income. So, from here, nakatago lang yung budget summary from here. Pero dapat kailangan nakarelate yung total overview doon sa kaninang database. So, hide lang natin siya. Kasi if we will check the total overview, so there, sa total overview, meron ditong name, which is yung total overview, remaining budget, which is a formula, total expense, roll up, total income, roll up din, sum of all the expenses, yung ito, sum of all the income, wedding date. Let's see the properties para sa makita nyo. So yung remaining budget, naka-formula siya to total income minus total expense. Ang total expense, naka-relation siya to expense tracker, property niya is amount ng expense and sum of all those amount. So yun yung total expense. So same with total income. So sa income tracker naka-join, then kinukuha niya yung total amount, then yung total sum. Then the wedding date, wedding months left, weeks left, it's just a simple formula for date between, by months, tapos by date, and by. So kung kailangan nyong ipakita yung days left, pwede rin sa over. Tapos ito, label purposes lang para mas maganda pag tinignan natin doon sa wedding dashboard natin. Here. So punta tayo dun sa expense tracker. Sa expense tracker, naka-join yung vendors and naka-join din si total overview. So if you're going to check, ayan, so budget summary or total overview, if you check it here, ayan, expense and overview, naka-join together so that we can compute kung magkano yung total. Dito kasi malalaman yung total amount nito, makukuha natin 87,000 dun sa expense, dun sa total overview. So if you're going to add another catering payment, 1% for example lang, na 1,000 pesos. Tapos itag natin sa vendors na catering siya. Caterer. Then magkano binayaran para at least maganda na meron tayong tracking. 88,000. Pag tinignan natin dito sa magbabago na yung wedding dashboard, 88,000 na yung total expense. Bumaba na rin yung total balance natin. If you're going to check the vendors as well, yung caterer natin, naging 2,000 na yung amount paid. Kasi, naka-roll up nga siya dun sa expenses. So, kailangan, mas maganda, di ba? Every time na naglalagay ka ng expense, na-update na rin yung vendors mo. Right? So, there. So, that's it. Now that you have the Wedding Notion Planner template, you can now effortlessly plan your dream wedding. So, this template will hopefully help relieve your stress and keep you organized with throughout your entire wedding planning journey. So, don't forget to enjoy the journey with your loved one. And don't forget to download the template using the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it very helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and resources. Until next time, happy planning and enjoy the rest of the week. God bless.